Welcome back to Naples Motorsports. Right here we have a 2011 Ferrari 599 GTO, one of only 599 made of this model. In this video we're going to dissect what the difference between a GTO is versus a regular 599 and figure out why this car is what it is. Driver's side, big things to point out. Full carbon fiber side skirt. It's going to be in matte exposed carbon fiber, pairing nicely with a full matte carbon fiber exposed side mirror. You're going to see that on both sides. Good touch of carbon fiber on this body kit. Scuderia shields, optional on this car. This one comes equipped with them. And these are going to be your 20-inch blacked out wheels with a Rosso Scuderia colored brake caliper, which is going to mix with the Rosso Corsa stripe down the center. Now this white color on this body is a Bianco avus. Like I said, the Rosso Scuderia red stripe and Rosso Scuderia caliper. Carbon ceramic brakes as well. Getting up close on these headlights, you're going to have a full exposed carbon fiber bucket, again optional on this model, as well as a full carbon fiber exposed splitter. Not a large one, but this car has got plenty of power. Now this mesh grille here, that's going to allow for a lot of airflow. We do have a 6-liter V12 under there, so that's going to give it plenty of air to stay cool. Now on the passenger side here, condition of this car, it's got just over 2,500 miles, and this paint condition is in wonderful shape. These mirrors have no scuffs on them. This entire paint job on the entire car has got no scuffs, no chips. This paint is truly in immaculate condition, especially for a 2011. Something you're not going to see a lot of in this model year. Coming around back here, you're going to have this silver GTO badge and a blacked out Ferrari symbol here, an option. And you're going to see this massive carbon fiber diffuser. What that's going to do is allow for better aerodynamics with a boxy back end like this. What happens is a good vortex comes through, causing some suction. What that's going to do is break that up. You're going to see a notice on the track. You're going to see some better aerodynamics. Popping the trunk here, you do have a full carpeted boot with leather straps for a roadside kit, and plenty of space here. You put some backpacks, put some duffel bags, put some groceries, anything you may need to take with you, this car is going to fit it. You are also given some storage behind the seats inside. We'll dissect that when we hop inside. Jumping into the interior here, this is a pseudo interior package here. You have Alcantara on the door rests, on your armrests on the door, white accent stitching to match the white accent on the seats. On these doors, you're going to see this entire carbon fiber panel with Alcantara on the sleeve, as well as the armrest, and this fabric up here on the side. You're going to see full carbon fiber door trim at the bottom of the sills, and that's going to give you a nice entrance to these plated floor mats here. Up at these seats, you do have, like I stated earlier, the white accent stitching, these white tubes, as well as a nice, comfortable, bucketed racing seat that has carbon fiber inserts and the Ferrari logo embroidered in the back center. You have this carbon fiber trim back here that's going to lead you right back to this Alcantara storage area. It does have straps, good for luggage, good for any small items you may have. Now looking at these racing seats here, carbon fiber inserts enough for a racing harness is what they're designed for. Carbon fiber on the dash here. Badge here saying limited one of 599. As again, limited model. Climate control knobs here. Drive mode selectors. And a full carbon fiber dash lasting until you get this little storage compartment, which is going to be Alcantara suede. A leather parking brake here in the center. And moving over to this steering wheel here, you're going to have that same matte exposed carbon fiber on the top. This does have the LED rev line there. Carbon fiber paddle shifters, as well as your classic start engine on the steering wheel, and your drive mode selector here for Sport Trac and VSC off. Up here you have an optional white tachometer. This car is equipped with it, which is an add-on. Under the hood here, spotless. Of course, just over 2,500 miles, great condition engine bay, 6-liter V12, painted in Rosso Scuderia to match that stripe on the body. Now that we've seen under the hood of this super rare car, let's give you a little sneak peek at what this sounds like. Guys, given all the aspects of this beautifully spec'd out 599 GTO, this car is the perfect car for any Ferrari lover. If you're interested in this Ferrari 599, feel free to give us a call at 239-430-5655, or you're always welcome to come on in and see it for yourself.